If you're looking for a simple way to track your income and expenses, Google Sheets actually has a free budget template that makes it really easy to get started. First, open your browser and type Google Sheets Monthly Budget Template. The first result should take you to a pre-built budget spreadsheet. Go ahead and open it. Now, before you start editing anything, you'll want to save your own copy. Just head to the top menu, click on File, then choose Make a Copy. A small window will pop up where you can rename the file and choose where you want to save it in your Google Drive. Once you're ready, hit Make a Copy. After that, the budget sheet will load into your own account and it's ready to use. You can go ahead and delete the sample image or guide on the front if you don't need it. Just click on it and hit the Delete key. Now let's take a quick look at how the sheet works. At the top, you'll see a section for tracking your monthly income. You can enter different sources like your salary, side gigs, or anything else that brings in money. Below that, there's a space to record your savings. This could be contributions to your emergency fund, retirement, or anything else you're putting money aside for. On the other side, you've got a full section for expenses. Here, you can type in all your spending, from rent and groceries to entertainment and subscriptions. Just fill in the category and amount. The great thing is, the totals update automatically. As soon as you start entering numbers, the sheet calculates everything for you, including how much you're saving and how much you're spending overall. And at the bottom left, there's a summary that gives you a quick overview of your total income, expenses, and the difference between the two, so you always know where you stand financially. That's it. It's fast, simple, and totally free, and since it's saved in Google Drive, you can update it from anywhere.